Welcome to this Asset Booker user walkthrough. Asset Booker is your one place to view, book and manage the workspaces and resources you need every day. From desks and meeting rooms to car charging points and parking, it's designed for anyone who needs a quick, simple way to see what's available, manage bookings and stay organised. You can use Asset Booker in Microsoft Teams, in your browser or on your mobile, so it fits naturally into the way you work. When you open Asset Booker for the first time, you'll be asked to allow connections so the app can securely work with your Microsoft account. Once that's done, you may see the terms and conditions for using the service. Agree to them and save the acceptance, then you'll be ready to use the app to make and manage bookings. Let's walk through a simple one-off desk booking. Start by choosing the asset type and then choose the location you want to visit, the area within that location, then select the date for the booking. From here you can choose the times or move through the different assets that have been created and make a selection of the asset that you want. From here, click on Select, check the details for the booking, and then click on Book. The booking is processed, confirmed that it's successful. You'll now receive an email showing you the details of the booking itself. And also you can go and see this within the My Bookings display. Now let's look at some advanced booking scenarios to showcase further booking features of Asset Booker. The first scenario is set aside assets. Some assets may be temporarily unavailable, for example, set aside for cleaning or refurbishment. So when they are selected from a list, you can see that they are set aside and the reason will be clearly shown as well. Next up we have bookings that require approval. That might be something like a car charging point. You can select the location and the area. Here you can see a thumbs up icon for the assets to indicate they need approval. Prior to completing the booking, you can choose a date. Potentially you can choose a from and to time. Select your asset, click on the select button. Here there's further details. You might need to provide a car registration number in this case. Also you can select additional settings to make a recurring booking. This is done in a similar way that can be done for a calendar booking app where you choose a start and end date. You can choose the days of the week and other parts of the recurring pattern, then confirm and book. After the booking has been made, the approver will receive a notification via email about the booking, or in this case, bookings. They can go to the Asset Booker Show All Bookings and select those that require approval. They can review the bookings, tick the bookings checkbox, and then confirm they wish to approve. The bookings are then approved. The next booking scenario you can manage in Asset Booker is assets that can only be booked by certain users. So if you select the asset type, location and area, you can see that a restricted asset is identified by a key icon. If you click on it, it will show the users who can book that asset. If you are not one of those, the select button is unavailable, whereas others that are available can be selected. The next booking scenario supported is group bookings. For example, you might be reserving desks for the HR team. As with other scenarios, you choose the asset type, location and area. You can choose a preferred date and also the time as well. If an asset's available to a group, you can see there's an icon with a tooltip showing the group that it's available to. You can select, choose additional settings. This will then show the group booking option, where you can make the appropriate selections and the users that they're for. Then confirm and book. An email is then sent to the booker with all of the details. As another booking option, if you prefer a more visual layout, when you've chosen your asset type, location and area, you can click on the calendar icon. This will show you a calendar view where you can see which slots are available. You can make a selection and then book in the standard way. Asset Booker includes powerful search features. This is in the search screen and it lets you find information and also take action too. The first option is for availability. Using available asset type, the location and the floor area, amongst others, perform a search, choose the date that you want to look at, look through a list of items and view the one that you're interested in. And with this information, you can then choose the date and time, provide a reason and book. You can select the person option. Then on a selected date, you can search for the person by name. You can select a booking they have. This takes you to the booking screen with the pre-selected booking criteria where you can see their booking. You can make a selection, click on the select button, check and then make a booking. Perfect if you want to book an asset, potentially to sit next to a colleague on a given date and time. You may want to find an asset with a specific property prior to making a booking. For example, a car charging point with specific charging characteristics. That's possible too. In the search screen, you select properties, choose the location, the asset type, and the search property. In the results, you can then view the asset of interest. This takes you to the booking screen with a criteria applied where you can choose the date and time that are required, choose the asset and then click on select, add in additional info if needed and then book. In My Bookings, you can see everything you have planned. View today's bookings or look ahead to future ones. When you arrive on site, you can check in with a single tap. If your plans change, you can release the booking or even partially release it if you only need part of the time you originally selected. You can search within your bookings by person or asset name. You can filter between current and future bookings and past bookings. You can use the filter button to bring up further filter options. Here you can filter by location, asset type, also by booking date. If you're an admin user, you'll see extra options. Alongside your own bookings, you can view all bookings for your organisation. From here, you can review items that require approval and then approve them or reject them, which will send notifications. You can also see who is currently on site based on check-ins, and then email those users directly if needed. Asset Booker lets you switch languages. Just open the language settings, choose the language that you want, and confirm. As soon as you do, all the labels across the app refresh automatically and the language interface switches to your selected language. It is worth noting this does require configuration of languages in the first instance to make them available. You can book an asset by scanning its QR code. Simply open your phone's normal camera or QR scanner, point it at the QR code on the desk or other asset, scan it, and Asset Booker will open directly into the mobile view inside Microsoft Teams. If you've used the app before, it takes you straight to that specific asset, so you can book it immediately. And if you already have a booking for it, it takes you straight to My Bookings, where you can check in or cancel. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of the Asset Booker. If you'd like help, advice, or would like to get in touch with us, you can reach DigPacks through email, our Contact Us page, or LinkedIn. We're always happy to help.